BoxCraft uses tangible mixed reality for CAD education. Simply positioning physical blocks on the interface instantiates a wide variety of 3D shapes. Geometric transformations are also done using blocks as tangible tokens. Users execute complex operations like translation, rotation, mirroring, scaling, extrusion, deletion, and reset to initial position using tangible token cubes. The system supports a full iterative workflow with undo, redo, and local OBJ file export when respective tangible tokens are placed. Beginning with a fundamental cube primitive, users execute precise geometric transformations. The system facilitates scaling and extrusion to aid the user in creating complex shapes.